Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is June the 25th, 2019 on Tuesday. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of oil. This is a 30 minutes chart here. We can see that oil has been rallying recently as an impulse. We get this wave 2 in the black, ended at around 51.5, and then since then we are calling the rally as a wave 3. We got a nice extension right here, okay, and now we're calling wave 4 completed here, and oil can continue to extend higher. Now of course, as an alternate, this view is only going to be validated if it breaks above the wave 3. Otherwise we can always still do a double zigzag, for example, doing something like this, a WXY double zigzag before the next leg higher. But eventually, as far as it stays above this wave 2 right here, we can continue to see more upside. Alright, so this wave 4 here is not yet confirmed until we break above the wave 3, otherwise can do double zigzag. Now if we look at the larger time frame, we are zooming out here in the 4-hour chart here. Now since oil ended this decline, on the June 5th, right? Since oil ended the decline on the June 5th, we can see the rally has been looking impulsive, right? So we got what looks like a 1-2 from here, and then we got a clear extension right now on the third swing, which is typically in the sign of wave 3, right? Now with the geopolitical tension rising between Iran and the US, now it has already calmed down a bit, but they almost got into war last week. But we still do not have sort of a clear solution on that, right? The problem is that the Iran is attacking oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz, because they say if US does not allow them to export oil, they will not allow anybody else, any country also, to use or to sail in the Strait of Hormuz, right? So they've been trying to do that to kind of express their displeasure towards the US, and if oil is not allowed or is not able to basically move freely in that region, because that one is a important area for kind of like oil tankers and so on to sail to other parts of the world, then there's a possibility that the oil supply can get a little bit of problem, right? There will be limited supply if this continues to drag on, and that's why I think the oil market has reacted recently by rallying, and the rally as of now, the rally definitely looks impulsive from June the 5th here. So at least if we are just looking at the shorter cycle, from the shorter cycle point of view, we can expect this to extend higher until we can see a clear 5 ways up from June 5th, right? Until we have not seen it, then I think we should continue to push it to the upside until we can see a very clear 5 ways up from June 5th. Otherwise, any pullback in the shorter cycle especially is going to find buyers in oil, right, for more upside. So for now we are calling this wave 4 in the black here. So in other words, if this is a wave 1 and 2 in the larger degree, let's say in the minor degree here, so if we got a 1-2 in the minor degree here, right, that means now we are still within the wave 3 in the minor degree, right? We are still ending only wave 3, and obviously yeah, we are still in the wave 3 right now, and even then, after a new high, it's gonna pull back and then do another leg higher again. So like I said, it has to have a clear 5 ways up before we can consider the cycle could be ending. Otherwise it's gonna keep getting or finding buyers in any pullback in 3-7-11 swing, right? So let's say if it doesn't go higher from here and instead drops lower, then that means a double zigzag in the wave 4 is going to find another buyer. So it's going to always finding another buyers in any three ways pullback from the peak. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. For further updates, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial, right? The link is provided in the description of the video. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.